Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing which method you'll use and why. Pick an ad blocker extension for desktop or YouTube Premium for mobile and TV. Once done, back up bookmarks and settings so you can revert if needed. Make sure to note your primary device. Desktop uses extensions and hosts edits, mobile favors apps or subscriptions, and smart TVs may need router level or DNS blocking. You must act now. Install the extension or subscribe, and keep credentials handy for the next configuration steps. You now configure the chosen tool so blocking is effective. If you picked an extension, install uBlock Origin or AdGuard, enable strict filter lists, and whitelist trusted channels only when necessary. For network-wide blocking, add common YouTube ad domains to your host's file or configure your router's DNS to use a blocker like Pi-hole. Once done, disable conflicting extensions, and clear your browser cache so new rules apply. Make sure to test a short clip to confirm ads are suppressed. You finish by verifying that ads are gone across several videos, including pre-roll and mid-roll spots. If ads persist, update filter lists, flush your DNS cache, restart the browser or router, and temporarily disable VPNs or proxy services that can bypass filters. Once stable, lock down settings. Enable extension auto-updates and export host or Pi-hole lists. If nothing works, consider YouTube Premium for reliable ad-free playback. Remember one troubleshooting tip. Clear cookies and test in an incognito window to isolate account-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.